In this video, we'll show you how to check if your drivers are up to date in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It's important to ensure your drivers are updated, as the latest versions come with bug fixes and performance improvements. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click on the search icon. Type Device Manager and press Enter to open it. Once the Device Manager window opens, you'll see a list of all your devices. For this example, I'll check the drivers for my network adapters. Click the small arrow next to Network Adapters to expand the list. Find the network adapter you want to check, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for updated driver software. In this case, I already have the latest drivers installed, so they are up to date. It's as simple as that. Feel free to repeat this process for other devices as well. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like.